this time.
This one is now run all the water.
Right. And then it branches off on the other ones, but
They all dump into here and we can go hard.